Good morning, dear student. Today we will study grammar chapter 19, voice, active and passive. So please pay attention. Grammar 19, active and passive voice. So dear students, at first we should know that sentences may be written in different ways. Okay, sometimes but meaning it same. Okay, and the way of writing different way, okay, is called voice. Okay, whatever we can write the sentence in how many ways, the ways are called, the change of ways are called voice. So there are two kinds of voice, active and passive voice. Okay, so first of all we should know about active voice. Okay, in active voice the subject is some sentences is the doer of the action indicated by the word. Okay, in any sentence when subject is the doer. Okay, in any sentence subject is the doer. Okay, that is called active voice and indicated by the verb. That is called active voice. We can see here example to understand. A milliner woman's heads. A milliner, here we can say right here, a milliner makes heads. A milliner makes heads. Here the underlined word a milliner is the doer. Is the doer of this sentence. We can see another example also here. My sister washed the dishes. Here my sister is the doer, okay, of these sentences. So in any sentence, in these sentences the subject milliner and my sisters are the doers of the actions indicated by the verbs. Okay, makes and was. So when in any sentence subject is doer indicated by the verb, that is called active voice. In any sentence when subject is doer, that is called active voice. So dear students, to understand active voice, okay, we can see many examples. Subject, verb, object. It means when every action is done by subject, that is called active voice. Okay, and now we see other example of passive voice. Okay, dear student, we can see in passive voice. In passive voice, the subject in some sentences is not the doer. In any sentence, subject is not the doer. Subject is not the doer, but receiver of the action indicated by the verb is the doer. Okay, receiver is the indicated by the verb is the doer. Subject is not doer. That is called the passive voice. Okay, we can see here some examples. Women's heads are made by a milliner. Okay, women's heads are made by a milliner. We can see here example. Okay, the subject indicated in the place of receiver. Okay, in the place of receiver. So women's heads are made by a milliner. Here, okay. And now second sentence, the dishes were washed by my sister. In the sentence indicated that heads and dishes are not the doer. Subjects, women's heads and dishes are not the doers, but the receiver upon the affected by the actions indicated by the verbs are made and were washed respectively. So, when the subject of the verb is not the doer of any sentence, any action, but it is receiver of the action indicated by the verb, we say that verb is in passive voice. So, once again, when the subject of any sentence is not doer, okay, but receiver of the action indicated by the verb, okay, then we can say that this verb is in passive voice. Dear students, if you feel any difficulty to understand, you can contact me without any hesitations. Okay, till then, thank you. Have a nice day.